Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Storm system could cause heavy rain, damaging winds from New Jersey to Florida in United States. More than 60 million people along the East Coast will face the risk of flooding this weekend due to the major rain and windstorms. The storm system has not formed yet, but is expected to develop in the Gulf of Mexico, according to the CBS News partner, the Weather Channel. The storm will be formed by the multiple disturbances that create a low pressure system in the Gulf that is expected to move north. The National Weather Service said that the storm system joined forces with the smaller disturbance that developed along the west coast on Friday. A meteorologist at the Weather Channel said on CBS Mornings that the strong winds, rip currents, and large waves are already present in the area. By Saturday, the storm was affecting Florida with the damaging winds, flooding, and even tornadoes possible until Sunday. About 12 million people are at risk of the severe storms and tornadoes, said the National Weather Service. And after that, the storm will begin to move north. The strongest winds will spread from Florida into the southeast Saturday into Sunday by Monday. The northeast will be gusting higher than 50 miles per hour. The governor announced on Friday he was activating the Florida State Guard to assist the Florida Division of the Emergency Management and other state agencies before and during the impending storm. He posted on social media that the State Guard will be ready to assist with any impacts, including flooding, strong wind gusts, and isolated tornadoes. By Sunday night, the Carolinas and the Mid-Atlantic season and the region will be getting walloped, meteorologists said. Heavy rain, gusty winds, and flooding is possible in these areas, according to the Weather Channel. By Monday, the storm will be in the northeast, causing rain and strong winds. And in some regions like Greater Lakes and Appalachians and areas at the higher elevations, that rain might turn into snow, according to the Weather Channel. Meteorologists expect to see 3 to 5 inches of rain, and maps shared by the National Weather Service showed similar forecasts ranging between 1.75 inches and 4 inches of rain as the storm moves north. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.